we got this big ass dinosaur egg over here, man.
No, that's not a dinosaur
What
egg,
it is,
bro.
man?
It's an ostrich egg.
An ostrich egg. Spike might come out. There we go.
Oh, it's dripping like the damn Balut egg, man. What going on?
Gotta be careful. I gotta crack some more. Oh, okay, there we go. Now we see the egg. We get into the egg. Wow.
Damn. So here's the ostrich egg. Whoa.
Huge ass egg, bro.
That dinosaur egg.
Yes.
Dang. You ready to try, my boy?
Like, look at this part.
That look like an eye.
Yeah, I don't like this part.
Damn, that's crazy. Toast up.
About to eat the biggest egg we ever ate.
Oh, God.
Mm. You like egg yolk? We about to get hella protein, but I know good and damn well there's no way in hell
Your egg taste like,
I could eat all this egg.
your egg taste like a dinosaur egg.
You had dinosaur egg before?
Hell nah, but if I had to just take a guess,
That's a dinosaur egg.
dinosaur.